What's up, guys? Back at you with another video. Yep, I did it.
Hey!
We're on the road to Adelanto right now. We got about 36 minutes to go until we get to Adelanto, where we're meeting the rest of the folks. We'll eat dinner, and then we'll figure out where we spend the night, because it's a little uncertain right now. So we're here. We're having fun.
So which one?
We're having fun. So we'll give you an update a little later on. Morning, everybody. Just packed up camp. Michelle, what do you want to?
Our little friend.
Yep. That's a beetle. It's a beetle, all right. We're gonna hit the road, head to Bishop, get a little brekkie brek. See you there. Here we are, we made it. Welcome to Inyo National Forest. We're going up that trail over there. Driving the FJ Cruiser today. What was that? Difficult?
Yes, absolutely.
That's my middle name. Adam Difficult Blue Yoda. Ooh, it's hot out there. Nice and cool in here. It's been a long day.
And it's only 11:30.
It's only 11:30. Oh, look at all these guys passing us. It's a holiday weekend after all. One more coming. Hopefully nobody takes a spot we want to stay in. Alright, we'll see what happens. What's up, guys? Good morning. We're wrapping up here at our night number 2 campsite. And to be honest, I'm not feeling the vlogging thing anymore. It's kind of a pain.
But we had some bomb cinnamon rolls.
We had some super great cinnamon rolls.
Oh, here comes Dave.
This is a super chill spot. We're gonna see if we can find something that'll be a little cooler today. And I don't know, maybe I'll update you later on.
Maybe, maybe not.
Maybe there's some cool drone footage, I don't know. That's about all she wrote. Catch you later on. We're having fun.
You gotta ask, are we having fun?
No, I know we're having fun.
Okay.
I'm telling you we're having fun.
Yes,
This is fun.
this is fun. We're having fun.
That's what was
So tell me, what's the highlight of this trip, Adam?
The highlight, setting up tents every day and taking them down every day.
I think the highlight for Adam has been the food.
Food's been good.
Okay, Adam, what are you cooking?
Tsunami tacos!
Oh, describe it to us.
It's top secret.
recipe.
It's a top secret recipe.
I don't even know what he's doing.
Nope, he said he's never made.
Look at the view.
You guys did.
Stone cabin.
Brent's always been the cooker. All right, who wants one?
You sure?
Alrighty, folks. Thanks for watching this one with me. That's actually the end. I don't have any other footage. That was night number 3 out of a 3-night trip. So the next day we did a little more exploring and then headed home. Still trying to figure out this YouTube video thing. Not sure what works out best. If you have any feedback or opinions, feel free to show it in the comments. I'm open to suggestions. With all that said, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next one. All right, take care for now.